TQM, Six Sigma, and Lean, a comparative analysis. Each methodology brings its own unique set of principles, tools, and techniques to the table, but they all share the common goal of driving continuous improvement and enhancing overall business performance. Total Quality Management, TQM. TQM is a holistic approach to quality management that focuses on involving all employees in the continuous improvement of processes, products, and services. TQM principles: customer focus, continuous improvement, employee involvement, process-oriented approach and data-driven decision-making. Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology that aims to reduce variation and defects in processes to achieve near-perfect quality. By employing statistical tools and analysis techniques, Six Sigma practitioners seek to identify and eliminate the root causes of problems, leading to improved process efficiency and performance. Six Sigma tools: control charts, Pareto analysis, root cause analysis, statistical process control and design of experiments. Lean principles aim to streamline processes, reduce lead times, and eliminate non-value-added activities in order to deliver high-quality products and services efficiently. Lean principles: value stream mapping, pull system, Kanban, 5S methodology and Gemba walk. TQM versus Six Sigma versus Lean, a comparative analysis. When comparing TQM, Six Sigma, and Lean, it's important to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each methodology in relation to the specific needs and goals of an organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, each of these methodologies, TQM, Six Sigma, and Lean, offers a unique approach to quality management and process improvement.